Okay, so in the last video, we started introducing this idea of a two-step equation and how you have to go in reverse order of operations to isolate the variables from the side that has the variable, leaving the numbers out of there and getting the variable by itself. And that the secret is to do the same thing to both sides and then the opposite thing of the thing you're trying to get rid of. So this video, I'm going to move on to showing you not only these steps, okay, which, by the way, the unit review kind of walks through each of those steps sequentially. They're right here, steps to solve the two-step equations. But you can pause the video and look at that, or you can open the unit review if you have it and read it, okay? So this is basically what I walk you through in the last chapter, though. What we didn't do, though, is checking your answer. And how does that look like? So checking your answer is basically pretending that your problem is an expression and plugging your answer into it to see if you got it right. So at the end of the last video, we had this expression, 4x minus 3 equals 5, right? And we got an answer that x was 2. That's what we figured out it was. So what you do is you rewrite that as if it was an expression you're trying to plug in. And remember, I like to put a parenthesis for the number I'm plugging in so that I make less mistakes. And I put my answer in there, 2, and then follow order of operations to try to solve that. Well, the first thing I have to do is multiply because I'm actually going in the right order because I'm evaluating an expression, not solving. Remember, you go reverse order of operations when you're trying to solve. 4 times 2 is 8. Copy down the rest, minus 3. Now, is 8 minus 3 truly 5? Yes, it is. 8 minus 3 is 5. Both sides agree with each other, and therefore I did get the right answer. If you do something and you get the wrong answer, when you plug it in, it's not going to check out. And then you know you've made a mistake and you have to rework the problem. So always rework a problem when you're done doing it. So that way you can truly be done knowing that you did it right. Okay? And in fact, if you have multiple choice questions, you don't even have to solve it. You can just plug it in to see which one makes it work. So that's the thing about on the power focus area, for example, you can just do that. If you have the expression, you have a bunch of possible answers, plug each one of them. The one that makes both sides work out is the right answer. And that's kind of how that works.